Huge time saver for non-technical creators. Let's open this together. Packaging is simple, but the promise feels exciting and useful. Product name on box. Shareables. No-code websites from Google Sheets. This connects Google Sheets or Airtable to build websites instantly. No coding required, which is a huge practical advantage. Quick demo now. I'll show setup and live updates. First impression. Clean interface. Surprisingly intuitive controls for everyone. Connect your spreadsheet, map fields, choose a template. Done. I used Google Sheets, but Airtable setup is equally simple. Live pages update instantly when you edit your sheet rows. That alone saves hours for small business owners daily. Customization is surprisingly deep. Templates, colors, layouts, and embeds. You can hide columns, format pricing, and de-show images. Performance felt fast. Pages rendered quickly on my phone. Pricing through AppSumo right now makes it very affordable. I'll drop the exact deal link at the end. Hands-on, importing data took under 5 minutes. Total mapping columns to page sections felt intuitive and predictable. I created a product page, a team bio, and contact form. Editing the sheet updated the public site without redeploying. Great for content creators wanting fast landing pages and portfolios. Small shops can show live inventory or pricing instantly. Non-technical users, there's no code, no terminal, no confusion. Template editor gives decent control without overwhelming options. I liked the responsive previews for mobile and desktop views. Support documentation is straightforward, screenshots, and quick steps. There were helpful examples for shops, portfolios, and lead capture. Limitations. Custom integrations beyond Airtable or Sheets need work. Advanced users might miss server-side logic or complex workflows. But for most creators, that simplicity is actually a benefit. Security. Your data stays in Google or Airtable, not hosted elsewhere. You control who sees the site through password or public settings. Design flexibility. Customize fonts, colors, blocks, and embeds easily. Integrations. Embed forms, calendars, payment buttons, and trackers. I tested an embedded form. Submissions came through instantly. Setup time. From 0 to live in under 15 minutes. Affordability. AppSumo deal lowers the barrier for small businesses. You get templates, updates, and basic support bundled in deal. My recommendation. Ideal for landing pages, small shops, and creators. Caveat. If you need heavy back-end logic, consider other tools. But if simplicity, speed, and cost matter, this fits perfectly. Final impressions. Intuitive, practical, and surprisingly powerful for novices. I can see freelancers, artists, and local shops using this daily. Comparisons. Faster than custom builds, cheaper than many site builders. My favorite feature? Instant live updates from a simple spreadsheet change. The AppSumo deal removes hesitation for trying it. Risk effectively, unboxing ended. Now practical demo clips showing setup and edits. I'll show connecting a sheet, mapping fields, publishing, and testing. Watch me edit the spreadsheet and see the site update live. If you're a small business owner, this simplifies site management hugely. Content creators can iterate ideas fast without developer bottlenecks. Sign up through AppSumo for the current limited-time deal today. Link below points directly to the Shareables AppSumo deal page. Final verdict. Great tool for non-technical users who need speed. Try the trial, test with your sheet, and evaluate results quickly. If it fits, you'll shave hours each week from site updates questions. Drop them in comments and I'll respond with demos. Thanks for watching this honest unboxing and hands-on review. Subscribe for more practical tool reviews tailored to creators and owners. Grab Shareables on AppSumo now. Links waiting. Go test it.